Welcome to this session. In this session, we will see how to add two numbers. First, we'll look at the flowchart that will give us an idea about the flow to write the program in Python. The flowchart consists of the popular symbols, that is oval representing start and end point. Here you can say start and stop. Next, the arrow marks connecting each and every symbol or shape and also dictating the flow of the program. Next, parallelogram used for input and output. Here, input A, input B and output sum are represented using the parallelogram. Next is a rectangle. Using this rectangle, we depict the process. In this program, the process is adding two numbers so that you can produce the output. Input, process, output. For processing, we use this rectangle symbol. Now, let us move to Python and see execute this. Now we are in Python compiler. This is the online compiler whose link I have provided. Let us look at the code. All the comments in the program will not get executed and begin with a pound or hash symbol. This is used to describe about the program. For example, here first we have the title of the program to add two numbers. Next, author. Next, start. So this is just for we have used start in flowchart, so we are using the same start here just for namesake. And stop. They don't get executed because they are comments. Now first thing is input. Here we are using two variables a and b to store 5 and 7. Now we are using another variable called sum, and we are storing the result of a plus b, the addition of two numbers, into sum. Next, printing. For printing, here you see two statements. You don't need both the statements, you just need one. So you can ignore this statement as of now. Let us put a comment symbol. Now this statement will not get executed. Print in double quotes the sum of two numbers is double quotes end comma sum. This function will print whatever is in double quotes as it is, comma, then sum. Sum is not in double quotes. That means it should be a variable. So it will look for the variable and print the value here. Let us run this program. Click on run button here. Here we have the output. The sum of two numbers is 12. Now let us say you want to be a little descriptive. You want to show in the output not just sum of two numbers is 12, but you want to show what are those two numbers that you have added so that you can cross it. Then the statement to use is given here. Now let us mute this statement and understand the alternate statement. I remove this comment symbol so that it will get executed. Now in this print command, in double quotes, whatever is put in double quotes is printed as it is. However, we are using something called as dot format ab sum, and we are using some curly braces. These curly braces are positions where value is substituted. The first value in the format is substituted in the first place, second value in the format is in the second place, third value in the format is substituted in the third place. Let us execute this and see. Now you can see earlier it was showing the sum of two numbers is 12. Right now it is showing what are the numbers. The sum of 5 and 7 is 12. This program doesn't take input from the console or from the user. Directly A is valued as 5, B is valued as 7. The initial values are given and declared. But what if you want to input the numbers? Then to take input from a console or user, we use the function called input. In this program, we are using input function. In the brackets, we are giving the statement to be displayed. The statement is in double quotes. Enter the first number is displayed. Next, because we are adding two numbers, one more is B. Input, enter the second number, again in double quotes. Here, we cannot use sum is equal to A plus B. It will lead to a miscalculation. Let us see that. Now we don't require two print statements, so I am commenting or just removing this. Just run. It is asking for user input. Enter the first number. Let us say 5. Second number 6. Now the sum of 5 and 6 is 56. This is very embarrassing. So why does this happen? You have to understand, whenever an input is provided by the user, the input function returns a character. In a sense, 5 and 6 are taken as characters. So that's why they are adding and giving 56. Now, how normally character addition, how does a character addition happen? So let us again run this. Though it is telling enter the first number, let me enter something called as hello and world. The sum of hello and world is hello world. So what is happening here is it is taking the input in terms of character and it is putting both the characters side by side. Now what is the solution for this? Now on my left side you can see there is another statement called sum int of a plus int of b. What does that do is it will convert the character into an integer. If you want float, you can put float there, but right now integer is more than enough. Now let us run this. What is your first number? 5. Second number 6. Now the sum of 5 and 6 is 11. So hope you have understood how to write program in Python to add two numbers. Any doubts are there, you can ask me. Thank you.